What's going on? You have 1 hour
To create an illustration based on a taco.
based on a mountain, but you won't be working alone.
Oh,
What?
all right.
Go draw a mountain.
Ooh. Ah, a mountain range.
I wonder if they got the same inspiration.
I can do like taco birds.
I think they're drawing tacos. What else can we do with the mountain? Maybe we could do a volcano. That's a bit more exciting.
I don't understand. We had such a good idea. Wait, is this going to be a volcano spurting out tacos? Taco volcano?
Yes,
Hey, okay. This should be guacamole, right?
let's give these mountains a face.
Little people running.
This is the future of fast food.
Woo, that guy's loving it.
Oh, time's up.
Hey!
Bye.
Great job.